You take 2 walnuts.
2 walnuts. Drink water and no reaction. Blank face, hard guy face, like I did in the previous episode.
What?
Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Hard Guys with Baga Moncha. And yeah, as you all know, I'm the hardest guy.
Which hardest guy?
Well, I mean, what happened before was, I just do it. I don't want to show myself. Yeah, so on today's episode we have
you are on relegation.
Also low.
Okay. Yeah, so I allow the hard guys, either female or male hard guys, to introduce themselves. We'll start from.
Hi guys, my name is Oluyomi and I'm an entrepreneur, a presenter and an actor.
You already know Superstar MC.
Can you fuck off?
Okay, Superstar MC Peto, the original, the boy, the only hard guy. You already know. From the last episode.
Like you already know, my name is Tomo Pompey and I'm the hardest of them. You know.
Can't just say empty barrels make the loudest noise. Empty barrels make the loudest noise. I'm the one that this time was the hard guy. And you guys watched the last episode. I mean.
Hello, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Daddy Gio of creativity. Zaddy, you can call me Zaddy. You can call
Moving on. Next.
I don't talk too
Why
much.
not?
This is Sakenayo. Let's start the challenge.
Yeah? Really. Okay, yeah, so on today's episode here, the challenge is to eat asala, walnut.
What's a salad?
Walnut. You do like say no sabi eating.
Walnut. Okay.
So you have to eat.
Is it a fruit or a food?
Sir?
Is it a fruit or a food?
Is a nut.
Is it a fruit?
This nut. So we are supposed to eat asala. So you take 2 nuts, chew it very well, and drink water.
You take 2 walnuts.
2 walnuts. Drink water and no reaction. Blank face, hard guy face, like I did in the previous episode.
What?
Chew and well. Chew, massage and
Eat
well.
fast now.
Golo. Wait, your Benny. No swallow am.
No. Okay, yes, sorry.
No.
Why are you laughing?
Have it in your
No,
mouth.
have it in your mouth. Shuku. Pak.
Are you
You know I did.
Straight face.
Oh yeah.
We don't hear you.
Let's get
This
lost.
one
Next.
not
No,
Next.
He don't lose. We know. You think they say why? You don't know.
He lost actually.
No, you don't lose. You don't
Next.
lose. You don't lose. You will laugh back.
Next.
You don't lose. How?
Next.
You
It's
don't
a gun.
lose. Did he lose or did he win?
Next.
No, they spoil game.
Next.
Moving on. The defending champion is back at it again.
Will you keep quiet? But I don't laugh.
Baga is putting his own balls in his mouth and chewing it. Chewing it and remember.
Alright.
Just training it. At least I wasn't this much. This guy.
Oh my days.
I have water coming out of my eyes from.
But you are really used to it, so Mr. Baga.
Oh yeah, they move.
Let me speak my own before another person will spit on it. Let's go.
See water coming out of my eyes.
Yamala,
I don't
He keeps
understand.
leaving. He keeps
I
running
don't
away.
understand how you
That's
never.
what I
you're next. You're next now.
Tell me.
The thing goes grrrr, skitty keep pop pop, and the boom boom boom,
No, you have to drink the water.
yeah, boom boom boom. You done know. The thing goes grrrr, skitty keep pop pop, and the boom boom boom, yeah, boom boom.
Oh yeah, put water for mouth. Don't lose for beginning.
You done know.
You dey laugh. Oh yeah.
Somebody should laugh.
Put out for mouth, gago.
Skitty keep pop pop, and the boom boom, yeah, boom boom.
But you go to
You don't know. The thing goes grrrr.
Nah, they are players.
But you were smiling, no, but okay.
Ready?
But
Was the house for me, guys?
I don't think laughing.
The thing goes grrrr.
Which one?
Like the water will go.
Oh, yeah.
And the poop
Or the water will go.
skia. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Manje.
You don't know. The thing goes grrrr.
Yeah.
Skitty kid pop. And the poop boom. Skia.
You are very interesting. You are not.
Yeah, you guys.
Boom.
Open eye.
Thing goes grrrr.
We don't close that. We lost. Since we are losing by
Skitty
half,
kid
we
pop.
lost.
Yeah, no.
Ah,
Ogbeni, you don't judge, yo.
We lost. We lost. Moving on next.
Magic. Is it people? I don't think it's long.
The thing goes grrrr. Skitty kid pop. And the poop boom. Skia. Boom. The thing goes grrrr. Skitty kid pop.
So,
And the poop boom.
as you have seen, I'm the champion.
You already know.
I'm out.
Please, guys.
Actually-
Who is the honest guy? Obviously.
Like, as I always do, normal, I allow them to win, so it doesn't seem like because I'm the host.
Wait for the Ataldo challenge.
Yeah, so more challenges coming. If you have any more suggestions you want us to see, or you want to see us do, let us know. See you guys on the next episode.